renovation is going great.
Hey, what's happening, bud?
Hey.
How you doing?
Doing pretty good. What are you up to?
Oh, well, little tiling my life away.
Tiling my life away. Looking good. Wrapping up almost.
Getting there, aren't we?
Yes, sir.
Today.
The problem that we have is all the little things in between. We're not going to open it up this month. I don't have any linen. My linen company has burned down. The company that I used to use, I loved them. Great company. Always made sure that our things were freshly pressed. Even though we were not the creme de la creme, we got Hampton Inn style linen. I have to find another linen company like that in Lincoln. If you guys know, leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate it. Also, I have no lamps. So it turns out, out of the entire hotel, out of all the lamps I had, I'm not happy with any of them. But I do have a friend that has a Hampton Inn in Georgia who offered to sell me all of his lamps at an insane great price. The only thing is I kind of got a little sidetracked, as I do, and now we're talking about buying vanities. Now, you might say, just wait till we're cash flowing. Yes, that makes sense business-wise, but he's offering to sell me the vanities at such a great deal that if I finance them, I will never be able to get a deal like this again. So it's one of those, I have to make one of those really quick decisions. And I think I'm gonna do it. I think on Sunday, I'm going to Georgia. And I think I'm going to be putting in new vanities. These vanities. So a lot of chaos, and I guess it's a long-winded way of saying, I don't think we're gonna open up in February. Even though it'd probably make the most sense to make sure we're ready for March Madness, unless I find a linen company, and unless I get all the lamps there, which I guess I could make it work. But I also have a baby that's due at the end of February. A lot of things to juggle. Anyhow, that's a quick update on what's going on at the hotel. The rooms are done. I'll do a video walkthrough properly when the beds are made up and it looks great. You get the idea. It's the same as before, but now the tiles are on the wall. Stay tuned. I'll be posting a video on how to finance these lamps and vanities. I'll be posting a video on my trip to Georgia, I'm sure, because that's always fun. If we're actually gonna open up on the 2nd. I'm kind of thinking, I'm leaning towards no. Now, I do have the entire staff standing by, so that's the other thing too. I was able to hire everybody, which is awesome, but not officially hire them, but I have people that are willing to stand by. So do I lose my one shot to open up? Can I do all things? I mean, I do like challenges, but at a certain point, there's a diminishing level of returns.